Control of bleeding. To prevent loss of blood, the following are first aid treatments for bleeding: cover, control bleeding, and care for shock. Find a sterile bandage and cover the wound. Apply pressure on the wound itself enough so that blood flow from the damaged blood vessels are impeded. Care for shock by elevating the feet of the patient to ensure that blood still flows to the patient's brain. If the bleeding is severe and applying direct pressure does not help in controlling the flow, a tourniquet is used. The tourniquet is used for bleeding in the limbs so severe that amputation is a more viable and life-saving option. Control of bleeding through direct pressure is almost always more preferred. Tourniquet is only performed as a last resort to control severe bleeding. This is because the tourniquet completely restricts blood flow into a limb. This loss of blood may result in death of tissues in the limb. Thus, everything below the tourniquet may be amputated. Examples of tourniquet devices are combat application tourniquets and belts. In this video, we will show you how to apply a tourniquet using a triangular bandage and a pencil. Start at narrow cravat. Wrap the triangular bandage 2 inches above the wound. Do not wrap the bandage around the joint. You may wrap the bandage higher if the wound is found too close below the joint. Put a sturdy stick-like material on top of the knot. This will act as the tightener. Tie a square knot on top of the tightener. Rotate the tightener until blood no longer flows out of the wound. Tuck the ends and secure the tightener. Record the time of tourniquet application on the limb of the patient near the tourniquet. Write a big T in the forehead of the patient, a sign for a tourniquet patient. Only a physician will be authorized to remove and retighten the tourniquet.